Hey there, ice cream lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of ice creams to uncover the best and worst options for your health. Get ready to be surprised by what we found. First up, let's talk about some popular but unhealthy choices. Ben & Jerry's and Breyers are notorious for their high sugar content and unhealthy additives. These brands often use high fructose corn syrup, harmful seed oils, and synthetic fibers. These ingredients can wreak havoc on your health, leading to weight gain, inflammation, and other health issues. But don't worry, not all ice creams are created equal. If you're looking for healthier store-bought options, Breyers Vanilla with minimal ingredients and Häagen-Dazs with fewer sugars are better choices. They still offer that creamy, delicious taste without the excessive sugar and harmful additives. For those on a keto diet, Rebel and other keto-friendly ice creams are great alternatives. However, be cautious. These options often contain synthetic fibers and sugar alcohols, which can cause digestive issues for some people. Always check the labels and be mindful of how your body reacts. Now, if you want the ultimate control over what goes into your ice cream, why not make it at home? Here are 2 simple and healthy recipes. Low-carb, keto-friendly ice cream. Ingredients: 1 cup heavy cream, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1/4 cup erythritol, 1 tsp vanilla extract. Directions: mix all ingredients, pour into an ice cream maker, and churn until smooth and creamy. Organic cream and honey ice cream. Ingredients: 2 cups organic cream, 1/2 cup organic honey, 1 tsp vanilla extract. Directions: combine ingredients, pour into an ice cream maker, and churn until you get that perfect consistency. Making ice cream at home allows you to avoid unwanted additives and tailor the ingredients to your dietary needs. So, whether you're buying from the store or making it yourself, choose your ice cream wisely to enjoy a delicious treat without compromising your health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share your favorite ice cream recipes in the comments below. See you next time. Stay cool and healthy, everyone.